Get to steer. Daddy's gonna mess up our ponytail. Okay, Jessie Claus. Come on. You have to use your steer. Come on, I'm taking a movie. Whoa!
Okay, try that.
Whoa.
You're going the wrong way.
Yeah!
Okay, turn the wheel so that you don't crash. You need a lesson, maybe. Come on. Whoa, good job.
Look in front of you.
Look where you're going.
You're okay. Good job.
Wow. Okay, let's have Daddy and Mommy help you get out of here. You can just roll it.
Oh, step on the pedal. Jessie, no. Give it gas.
Make it move.
Hold on.
There we go.
Okay, get back in. Grandma's up front watching you. Close the door. Watch out, Noah. She's driving.
Wow. Jessie. Jessie. Okay. Pretty cool.